What's going on, guys? It's the Forex Prince here, James, back at it, bringing you another one. Today's video is definitely going to be a good one, so I'm going to need you guys to watch all the way through because it's going to be very juicy. The strategy I'm showing you today is one that many Forex millionaires have been using since they started Forex, and that method and that little secret strategy is called price action. Alright, today we're going to be doing a top-down analysis on the on odd USD. When we're gonna do a top-down from, I want to say, maybe let's come down. We're gonna do a top-down analysis from the daily. All right, and see what's going on. All right, and also with the top-down analysis, we're going to be doing price action with a little bit of trend lines. All right, so right now, the white line is my 100 moving period average, and then my yellow is my 200 moving average. All right, so I'm going to just draw a trend line here, and we're going to draw it from, let's get these other ones out of here. Let's get them out of there. You want to come hit this button over here. Up. Move that down here in the corner. You want to come hit this button over here, and then you want to come to trend line. Alright, so with the trend line, you just want to mark it from the bottom of a point to the top of a point. Alright, and you leave it like that. So now with top-down analysis, this is how this goes, right? Let me see. We can pull up my marker here. It came up. It came up. It tried to test the trend line again. It came up, came down, came up, and it came all the way down and tried to test the trend line a few times here. Mainly here, thought it was going to break, but the candle wick broke. So right here we got a break on a drop, so it's a potential that it may go down for a continuation, for a little drop, or it may continue. But this is why you do the top down analysis. All right, so you come to the H4 and you see what I was saying. It was tested here, and then it went up and it was tested here. All right, so now we can clearly see that it might continue on an uptrend. If it tests up here and then come down below this line here, let's just say it's a line from there to there, then boom, it's going to be on the downtrend. All right, so we're going to continue our top down analysis. We're not doing price action yet. Price action is done on current price. So I feel as though the safest place to do price action would be the H1 chart, because each candle is an hour. So granted that the market has been open for roughly 4 hours right now, the last 4 candles was going to be the market, which is going to be these 4 candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see it's in a downtrend, starting of a new trend here, right? Cool. With that being said, it's getting ready to either go for a good push or good down. But I'm going to tell you how to use it in congruent with your RSI here, okay? Show you how you scalp these with the RSI. RSI comes down here, and then it shoots up here. Boom, easy pips. From here, 9707 to here, 7,000. That's 300 pips. 300 pips up. Then you would have caught in for the sale, and you would have came down here, and you would have put your buy because it would have been down here, and you would have just rolled it out till it got it to a high. All right, so I'm gonna show you how you do your support and your resistance. About here is a support, no, a resistance, my bad, and about here, tap that a little bit, is about a support. All right, and the reason I say this, let me get my tools out so I can tell you. See how many times it came from down here up and then down to this line here, then up, then down to this line here, then up, then past just about to the line, up, just about to the line. These two lines are playing what we call a perfect, perfect, perfect channel of range. All right, it's going in one direction. Instead of up or down, it's going in one direction. All right, so to continue your top-down analysis, I say I come down for to the 15. I come down to the 15 to get a good buy, good general position of what price is doing. All right, you can see. Let me see. I'm trying to get you to see. We only trade overbought, oversold, overbought retracements. Okay, came up into the overbought area up here, hovered a little bit, and then it fell into the oversold. Stay down here for a little bit until it came up as high. Then it started an uptrend. Started this little range. Came over. Did his little thing. It fell. Came back up. You see, it tried to test itself. It's climbing up, working its way back up to the top. Now, what you can see right now is after it tried itself, let's mark this as the new range, right? That's the new range. Let's get this one. Let's move that in about there, and we're gonna see it actually gonna go lower than that. I say this is about a possible good range, so let's bring the line down. About here is a possible good range. It's gonna test that line, try to retest before it come back down here and try to retest this line. All right, now as you can see, the RSI is entering oversold territory, so I don't expect this to fall much longer. But in the M15, what I would do is to try to get a sniper entry here, right, is I would test it and check to see where it's at in the 1 minute. At the 1 minute, it's at the bottom of the RSI line, and it's doing this do. So what I would do is, in this potential case, I will wait to see that I will wait to see if this RSI is going to turn around, and if it is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do buy stops and stuff, right? So come up here, market execution. Today I'm just going to show you what I can. So a buy limit is I'm not 100% sure. Just give me a second. Let me make sure I'm right. Okay, so buy stop is when you you betting that price will go up below price. A buy limit is you betting on price to go up when you're above the price, right? So I'm give an example here. A buy stop would be if I put that here, saying that that's a buy stop. I'm below. Right now would be above price, so I would have to come down here, saying that if it come down here and go up, that'd be a buy stop. A buy limit is if it come up to here, then I'm above price. It continues. So down here is a buy stop. Up here is a buy limit. Same thing with a sell stop. Up here is a sell stop. Down here is a sell limit. Okay. In the moving direction of price, that's what the limit is. In the reverse of it is stop. So yeah. So you see it trying to do its little retest over here and over here and over here. So what I would do is I would just put a buy. All right. I'll put a buy because market has to come back up. If it sit down there like that, I don't even know which count I'm on. Wow, I'm on my really count. I didn't know it was in my really count like that. Cool, but this isn't the account I want to come in. I'm gonna just take these pips because I did it right. I did it right anyway. Go ahead and take these pips. I'm waiting for it to cross. Like I said, we on the 15-minute chart, and we watching it. All right. We watching it on the 15-minute chart. Right now, it's done in reversal. It's pretty much came to a point to where it's exhausted, and now it's testing itself. You see, I'm up. Come to the 1 minute, see the damage. I'm up. The 1 minute got to shoot up a little bit more, so I'm gonna let it shoot up a little bit more, and I'm gonna take my profits. right now. It's just, I didn't even mean to be in this account. So we cool. 36 cents, 60 cent, 0.6 cent. We gotta let it come up. Let it come up a little bit. I'm gonna let it come up a little bit because I know that's what it has to do in order for me to get what I'm getting for. All right, a little retracement. So we're testing. A little bit of a drawdown. All right. We're just gonna let this thing play out. We put it in on the 15. We're watching it in the 1 minute because it has to go up. And we scalping it. We scalping it off the 15. It's low. It's low. It's low. It's gotta turn around. All right. See, even my account. Cool. Don't stay down here for long. A 7 RSI at a close. Go let that down. See now, look where it's at. On the 1 hour, it's down here. It's down here, so I will probably move this about up to here because that's probably where price is. It's right at price. So like I said, we come back down to 15. You see it. It's right at price. It's right at its zone. Right at its zone. Same zone. You seen it on the 1 hour. It has to come down to the line before it starts to retrace. Yeah, go under a little bit before it come back. We watching it on the 1 minute. You see it's going down. I'm now down $2. Risking half the account just see anything. I know it's gonna reverse. My account just might not have enough cushion to do it. I wasn't supposed to do it on this account, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm just showing you what support and resistance is with the trend line. All right. See, price starting to make its push back up. You could confirm it all at any other time frame. The 5 minute. The 5 minute is 5 1 minute candles. The 15 is 3 5-minute candles. The half an hour is 2 15-minute candles. And the 1 hour is 4 15-minute candles. Get it? It's going to turn around. Let me show you how you do take profits and stop losses too. You zoom out, right? And where you would put a stop loss, I would come probably to a higher time frame. Probably to a 15. I probably would have stopped, put a stop loss. I wouldn't even do it. I probably put a stop loss. Let me see. It's 6. This how you determine your stop losses. It's 6. Come down here. I got a 0.06. 0.06 times that by 100 is $6. So we don't want to come down. So let's times that by 30 and $1.80. Let's go 50. Times that by 50 is $3. Won't even do 50. Let's do 45. $2.70 is my max. So come in here, right? Come to here. You hit that. You put this at price where you bought it at. 800 is down 29. 29, right? And you want to go down 45. So just add the 4 to the 2. Come on. Now it's down. All right, hold up. We had to go up. Sorry. We're going to go down. This is going to be 7. Oh, man. Come on. All right. 7. Hold up. 829. This is what we're going to do. 829 minus 45. 784. 784. 784. All right, my bad. I had to take a call. So yeah, so I was trying to catch it before I could, but the market fell and it closed me out at 348. So yeah, so my position might have, I could have waited a little bit more for my position, I guess, to put it in, because now you see it's at its line and it's got to reverse. It's got to reverse. You can see it now. See, it started in at the bottom of his line down here. See, now I'm gonna go to my real account. I'm gonna go to my account. Go to my account. This is not this account. I wanted to go to. I'm doing a $100 demo account challenge for people to show them. You know, this is how you do it. See, they carry right on over. It's at the bottom of his lines. Retesting this, retesting this, retesting it. Like I said, you can put in a buy here. Put in 2 buys because I know it's gonna come back up. I know it's gonna come back up. So just let that bad boy sit, sizzle. All right. So I guess I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna pause it, and I'll come back when we in profits to show you that my strategy works. And just to show you the back test. Just look. Price started in around the line. The line is down here a little bit, and then it went up. It went up. Let me get rid of the line. Hold on, I gotta catch this. It went up. Tested the line 2 times, and then it started to fall. You can see right now the line has picked itself up, and we are now in profits. All right, so I'm gonna hold this position, and I'm gonna hold it for the 1 minute because it's most likely going to do what it do for the 15 minute. We could definitely hold it. I'll probably just let this cook, man. I want to do just do the 1 minute. I know the 1 minute got to shoot up, so this is what I'm gonna choose to do right here. Show you the thing. See, we in profit still. We even right now. But like I said, I'll pause it now, and then I'll unpause it when we in profits and talk more about it. So, catch you in a little bit. All right, what's up, guys? I want to give you an update on things. As you can see, we was in profit sometime up here, and then it tested itself. So what I want to do is I want to show you how to do price action live. All right, it came up here and it came back down to this line and it went back up. That's a recent resistance line. So what you do is you take that off, you come in here, you get you another horizontal line, and you throw that horizontal line right there. So now this is where you'll be able to put in more entries in on your trade. All right, because you see that the RSI line has already did what it had to do. So it's below the recent lows and it's continuing to go down. If we go to the 1 hour chart and you see, all right, it has fell. It's still on the bottom retracement. It's doing what it do. You come to the 15 minute and it's still at the bottom. It still got to push up. It didn't even do anything yet. So this is what we waiting on right now. We just waiting on a move. If waiting for it to come back up. And I think I'm gonna hit take profits somewhere around up there, up here somewhere. But I'll make a move when we get back. All right, guys, I want y'all to see that we are in profits, $3 right now, and it's still going up on the 15-minute chart. You could definitely see that it's doing its due. That's perfect. That's some decent profits right there. $1.40. Come to the 1 minute chart, and let's just get a good look at it. Let's just try to see if it could do one more push. If it could do one more push, actually, let's take it. It done did a good push. We scalping off the 1 minute and whatnot, and we doing our thing. All right, let's go ahead and let's take these profits. I'm up. Boom. Show you how price action worked. It went to the line, it played between the lines, and it was going to do its due. I hope I didn't make this video too long. If you got some information or you got any questions, feel free to reach out to me for many days to come. You guys stay blessed.